Wagwan, my name is Jermaine and welcome to Picatude. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do sublimation and a love screen crystal. So here you can see the image on the left, and that is printed with a sublimation printer. The printer in question is an Epson F570. Alright, so here you see me taking the blank love screen crystal from its package. Comes in two parts: the sublimatable piece itself and the base. That base will be attached via what is known as a quick dry glue, or in my case I use E6000, which is an industrial super strength glue. So that is the sublimation printed image, and as you see, I'm lining up the crystal on top of the sublimation print. Now, in this particular case, the image was not printed in reverse. It was printed right side facing up, as the printable side of the crystal is on the back. So the image is printed on the back and then it's viewed from the front. So that is the reason why it wasn't printed in reverse. In most cases, for sublimation, the image is printed in reverse. So I'm now taping the transfer to the crystal to secure it, make sure it doesn't move, and after that is completed, I will then take it to the press and press it at 400 degrees for 240 seconds. So here you see me putting down what is known as a butcher paper, or you can use copy paper. So I'm placing the crystal in the press with the print side facing up, which is facing the heat platen. Now here I'm testing the press to make sure that the pressure is right. So you want to press light to medium pressure. It's best to check your pressure before you actually heat up the heat platen to go ahead and press, because you don't want ghosting to take place, and ghosting is where you will see like a double image. I'll have a future video discussing ghosting. As I said, this was pressed at 400 degrees for 240 seconds, and of course the footage was cut to not have you sit and watch through the entire duration of that 240 seconds. So here you'll see me using a rubber glove to take the crystal from the press. You want to use a rubber glove because this is extremely hot. Remember, it's at 400 degrees. So even though you see me using my bare hands there, I'm just carefully peeling away the heat tape to make sure I don't get burned. Also, you do not, and I can't stress this enough, you do not want to put this in water, at least cold water, or even water just from the tap, because this item will crack. So I'm just flexing the crystal before the camera so you can get a good view of it. And that's pretty much how this item is done. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe. Share this video with a friend who you know might be interested in starting their own business and into sublimation. So that's just the base. You see me using my hand there to just give you a view of what the final product will look like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.